Hello, welcome to my video. Today I practice pronounce assault and assault. The first assault. Check, leg, letter, red, sentences, red, head, read, friend, any, many, again, said, next, assault, fines, cash, run, bank, jacket, like, that, man, jam, factory, carry, bag. Write it these sentences. Assault. Number 1. Tell me again. Number 2. Send me a check. Number 3. Correct these sentences. Number 4. 20 to 12. Number 5. Help your friend. Nice. Practice these sentences. Assault. Number 1. Thanks for the cash. Number 2. I ran to the bank. Number 3. Where's my black jacket? Number 4. That man works in a jam factory. Number 5. Let me carry your bags. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.